Hey everybody, Adam Davidson, RadCast for Thursday, January 26th, 2017. Happy Thursday. Just a little bit more time in Micah chapter 6. He has shown you, O mortal, that's us, what is good. And what does the Lord require of you? That's a great question. What does he require of us? And then this is what Micah gives us in terms of this, like, tricycle. Think of a tricycle, these three things, three wheels. We are required to act justly, to love mercy, and to walk humbly with our God. To act justly. I like that translation in this particular translation because earlier translations say that we seek justice. And to seek justice sort of makes it sound to me like I should be upset by injustice and that I should have this thing that just goes, that's too bad, we got to fix that injustice. That's one thing, but it's completely different to act justly. When we encounter the injustices of our world, but it's right here, like it's in my world, like it's in my space, my job is to act justly, to carry out the justice of God, to make it right. If there's a human being that's maligned or mistreated, that's not okay. We need to make that right. I have a responsibility to act justly and to undo the wrong and do what is right, whatever is in my power. And if I'm causing injustice, that's an even bigger problem. We have to act justly. The problem with that, though, is that if we're only people of justice, we can start to become rather shrill and judgmental. That's why we need the second wheel on the tricycle, to love mercy. You know, mercy is treating people as if they haven't, done the offense, essentially. It's saying, I could do this, but I'm not going to do this. I'm going to show mercy. Basically, what I need to do is treat people the way I want God to treat me. And I really need his mercy. And I need his mercy not in like, I'm going to destroy you, but I won't because I'm merciful, but it's a mercy of love. And that's why Micah tells us to love mercy, that we should be merciful toward each other just as God is merciful and loving toward us. That's the second wheel on the tricycle. The third wheel on the tricycle is to walk humbly with our God. We need that third wheel, not just to walk humbly compared to ourselves or walk humbly compared to other humans, but to walk humbly with God. And so here's God, right? This is God. It's not really, this is my hand. Don't be fooled, but let's pretend this represents God. And here's us walking right next to God. And it's not this. It's not us and God. He's not our co-pilot. We're certainly not his. It's not, here's God and here's me and I'm almost like him. This is me right here. Hi! I'm walking humbly with my God. In so doing, when I have a view of who God is and who I am in a relationship and who I am compared to the rest of the world, it brings me down to reality. I need these things to act justly, to love mercy, and to walk humbly with God. Do that today, and the world will change. That's RadCast.